My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Senator. Senator is a ransomware attacking many Windows computers all over the world today. This ransomware actually encrypts files and damages them. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting the ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the data without troubles. All pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data can be opened easily. But unfortunately, very soon this Senator ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. As you can now clearly see, this ransomware is called like that because it actually appends a special Senator extension to the file names, and then it is just impossible to use the data. The ransomware tells then the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page, the official page, combocleaner.com. So download the application through this official website, install it, and once it is successfully installed, start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other threats. And then after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. You can actually upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner at any time. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way you can always get your data protected. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about this particular ransomware and about ways to possibly recover your data.